Hi, I'm Jordan from Motor Match Stafford, and this is the Volkswagen Touareg BlueMotion Tech R-Line 4-wheel drive, and it is a 3-litre diesel automatic. This car is part of our Motor Match approved vehicles, which means it comes with a 30-day warranty or up to 1,000 miles, whichever one does come first. So if you like the look of this car so far, you'd like to find out a little bit more about it, then you can give us a call on 01785 899 474. Now in this video today I'm going to take you on a 360 walk around of both the interior and the exterior, and then I'll get into some of the high-tech features. So starting on your exterior, you'll be able to see your Bi-Xenon headlights and LED daytime running lights, giving this car such a high-tech look to the exterior. Also running down the side, you have got the chrome roof rails and chrome window surrounds, which are perfectly matched by your rear privacy glass, adding them outstanding exterior features. Another added feature of the exterior is your 20-inch Tarragona alloy wheels. This just adds the finishing touches and makes the black stand out that much more. Moving into the rear seats, you can see the full black leather seating, which ensures a stylish look to the interior, while also providing the utmost comfort for not only the driver but the passengers as well. You've also got climate controls in the rear, so you can set how hot or cold you would like it. The space included with this car is something special, and this can be seen especially in the boot. So the way to go into the boot is to click a button and it will automatically lift up for you, revealing such a spacious area. Now, this would be ideal for family life, especially when going away on a holiday, as you can fit everybody's luggage comfortably in this car. If you do need any extra room though, you can fold the rear seats forward to give you that extended boot for that much more added option of space. The way to close this boot is by clicking this button and it will go down effortlessly, so if you're carrying shopping you won't have to struggle to try and close the boot door. Now moving into the interior, you can see that black piano trim running across your dashboard as well as on your door panelling, and you've also got a chrome feature which makes the car that much more amazing. And just like in the rear seats, you have got the full black leather seating, but the main focal point of the interior is the panoramic sunroof. This just allows so much light and air into the vehicle, really bringing out them amazing features. Now that was the end of the 360 walk around of both the interior and the exterior. It is now time to move on to some of the high-tech features. So going on to your driver's side, you can see you've got all electric window controls, which are easily accessible on your driver's door. Another feature included is the multifunction steering wheel, where you can control different aspects of the car all from one place, and all without even needing to take your hands off of the steering wheel. On your drive display, you can also see that the car has done 64,175 miles, so there's plenty more miles for you to enjoy with this vehicle. Moving on to your main infotainment display though, and this is where all the main features of the car can be controlled. It is an 8-inch touchscreen display, so you can control all the different features with just the touch of your finger. Now this includes your DAB, FM and AM radio stations, which gives you a huge range of different stations to choose from and covers every type of genre of music. You've also got Bluetooth telephone connectivity, which means you can connect your phone to the car to make or receive calls as well as listen to your own music. Your climate control does also come up on the main digital display. This is where you can adjust the temperature as well as airflow, and even add on the added bonus of your heated steering wheel. Now this car does also come with the outstanding navigation system. It's super easy to use and is really reliable, so if you ever think you're lost, you can easily find out where you are with just a touch of a finger. When the car is put into reverse, you'll be able to see that front and rear parking sensors do come up. This gives you an idea if there's any objects in the front or the rear that you might have missed, and keeps that fantastic look of the car for longer. It also means that you can easily manoeuvre in tight spaces, and it makes life that much more easier for you and your family. Moving on from your main infotainment display now though, and you can see you've got a dual climate control. The great thing about a dual climate control is that you can adjust one side of the car without affecting the other side, so it completely tailors it to you without affecting anybody else. The front seats do come with the added bonus of heated seats, which means them cold winter mornings have never been more enjoyable. Now moving on and onto your centre console, you can see you've got an electronic parking brake and even centre armrest storage, which is super spacious and has your media input. So thank you for watching this video on the Volkswagen Touareg BlueMotion Tech R-Line 4-wheel drive that is now available at Motor Match Stafford. Again, this is a Motor Match approved vehicle, which means it comes with a 30-day warranty or up to 1,000 miles, whichever one does come first. We also offer RAC extended warranty of up to 3 years, which is available with most of our cars, and you can even get flexible finance packages tailored specifically to you. Also, all Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee, and included in this is the provenance check. So for a personalised quote or to book a test drive, you can contact us on 01785 899 474.